Hey, what's up everybody? Jason from Advanblack. Today we are at Softail, Harley-Davidson, and today I'm going to be installing this carbon fiber gas tank cover on this 25 Lowrider ST. All right, the tools you're going to need for this install are going to be a Phillips screwdriver. You're going to need a flat tip screwdriver. These are interchangeable, so I'm going to use the same one. You're going to need a 5/16 hex. You're going to need the infamous 10 mil open-end wrench. You're going to need a 9/16 open-end wrench. First thing we got to do is remove the seat. And depending on the setup you have, this one uses a Phillips screwdriver. Some people might have a twisty on there, or this one has a Phillips. We're going to remove it. So next thing you're going to do is you're going to remove the center console off the gas tank, and it's going to be two bits that you're going to need is a 5/32 and a 3/16. So we're going to start with 5/32, and it's going to be down here. And then you're going to use the 3/16. Next thing you're going to do is going to remove the bolt and nut in the front and rear, but you're going to leave the gas tank where it's at. You're not going to take it off. You also got to remove these rubber stoppers here on both the front and rear in order to put the gas tank cover back on. And that's going to be a 9/16 open-end wrench and a 5/16 Allen wrench. It's going to be the same for the front. All right, you're going to remove the front bolt and nut, and it's going to be the same. So for the front and rear, you're going to want to have to remove these plastic bits right here off the gas tank. Last but not least, go ahead and remove the gas cap. All right, simple. It's just placing over the gas tank, making sure everything lines up nice and smooth. You're going to use this supplied hardware just to make sure it won't fall down while you put the bolts back in. You can tighten it up in a second. Just get it hand threaded at first. All right, we're going to go ahead and line up the front bolt of the gas tank. Might take a little bit of lifting. All right, we're going to go ahead and put the front bolt on the gas tank. May have to lift the gas tank. If you have somebody else to help you out, might be good too. Don't forget your washers. All right, now for the rear bolt. Again, you might have to lift the tank up to get it in there. But the reason why you want to take off those plastic covers is because it won't fit. The carbon fiber won't fit with the plastic covers on. All right, we're just going to hand tighten it, and then we're going to get everything else tightened down. Reverse order how you took it off. It's going to be a 5/16 hex and a 9/16 open-end wrench. Don't forget the middle piece here. We just hand tightened it before. This hardware is a flat tip screwdriver and an infamous 10 mil. I'm just gonna, you don't want it too tight. You just want it singed together. All right, put in the center console back on, get the top bolt lined up. All right, there you have it. Our carbon fiber gas tank cover on our lowrider ST. Check out the rest of our carbon fiber parts on advanblack.com.